Planning a move from Alaska to Washington? We know that moving across state lines can be overwhelming, especially with the distance and all the logistics involved. But don't worry, today we're breaking down everything you need to know to make your long-distance move as smooth and stress-free as possible. Moving between Alaska and Washington involves quite a distance, 2,613 miles to be exact. So let's talk about the cost and how to budget for your move. Relocating interstate can be pricey. The average cost of moving from Alaska to Washington ranges between $1,234 and $1,542.5, but it all depends on factors like the size of your home, the number of items, and any additional services like packing, unpacking, or storage. For example, moving from Fairbanks to Seattle could cost you between $6,524 and $19,789, depending on the size of your home. From Anchorage to Spokane, the price range is between $4,130 and $12,000. Now let's talk about the best way to relocate. You've got a few options, but for such a long distance move, it's not recommended to go it alone. Sure, renting a truck and moving everything yourself might seem like a cheap option, but long-distance relocations can get tricky. The distance alone makes it challenging, and you don't want to risk damage to your belongings or deal with all the stress. The best option? Hire a professional moving company like 3 Movers. With expert movers and dedicated drivers, we make sure your belongings arrive safely and securely, without the hassle. We have the right equipment and know-how to handle long-distance moves, including the best routes to take and how to properly pack your items for the journey. Here's a quick look at the services we provide when you're relocating from Alaska to Washington. We're not just about getting your stuff from point A to point B. We also offer storage options for both long-term and short-term needs. And our packers ensure everything is carefully handled so your belongings arrive in perfect condition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more moving tips and advice. Let's make your move to Washington the easiest one yet.